Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 11th class, you are fully aware that we are discussing the economic importance of bacteria, and so far we have discussed the useful activities of these bacteria, and we have seen that many types of bacteria are useful for the human beings. And today we will discuss the other part of this economic importance of bacteria, that is the harmful activities of bacteria. And we should remember that as the bacteria are useful for the human beings, but at the same time they are harmful also for the human beings. So today we will see in our today's lecture that what are the harmful activities of bacteria. First of all, the harmful activities of bacteria are as under. Number 1, food poisoning. That means the bacteria make our food polluted and cause the food poisoning. Some saprotrophic bacteria cause decay of our food. So you should remember here that as there are different types of bacteria, and here the saprotrophic bacteria are responsible for causing our food polluted, and they produce powerful toxins in our food to cause food poisoning. Some of them are, number 1, here you should remember that the food causing bacteria are listed as botulism. Botulism is a food causing disease, and this botulism is caused by bacteria, the name of which is Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum. It is the name of the bacteria which causes a disease called the botulism. The main symptoms of this disease are vomiting. Vomiting means जिसको हम उर्दू में उल्टी बोलते हैं. एक बंदे को, एक इंसान को उल्टी आती है जिसमें क्लोस्ट्रीडियम बोटुलिनम ये डिजीज़ पैदा करता है. एंड पैरालिसिस फॉलोड बाय डेथ. जिस इंसान में ये डिजीज़ लग जाती है उसको पैरालिसिस भी हो सकती है, जिसको हम उर्दू में फालज बोलते हैं, एंड दैट इज़ काज्ड बाय डेथ. और उसके साथ उसकी मौत भी वाक़ा हो सकती है. इसी तरीके से जो दूसरे किस्म का बैक्टीरिया है जो ये फूड पॉइजनिंग करता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द स्टेफाइलोकोकल फूड पॉइजनिंग. स्टेफाइलोकोकल फूड पॉइजनिंग. This food poisoning is caused by bacteria, the name of which is Staphylococcus aureus. Staphylococcus aureus. If this disease is caused, or this food poisoning is caused, the common symptoms of this disease are nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. That means nausea means जिसको वो मन या तो वनान कशर पे मन डालन. vomiting गई उल्टी ही. diarrhea शुद्ध पता है दस्त गसन. तो number 2 food poisoning is the purpharingeal poisoning. Purpharingeal poisoning. This is caused by a bacteria, the name of which is Clostridium perfringens. Clostridium perfringens. The common symptoms of this disease are diarrhea यानी कि दस्त जिसको बोलते हैं, and acute abdominal pain, और उसको पेट का दर्द होता है बहुत ज़्यादा. तो these are the two symptoms, diarrhea and acute abdominal pain of this perfringens poisoning. Now the human diseases are as under. That means the diseases which is caused by bacteria in human beings are many bacteria or parasites. We know many bacteria or parasites which infect the human body and cause various diseases. So these bacteria which are parasites, they cause many diseases in human beings. The diseases which are caused in human beings are, number one, cholera, cholera, cholera. It is caused by bacteria, the name of which is Vibrio cholera. Vibrio cholera, Vibrio, Vibrio, cholera, cholera. Number second disease is the diarrhea. Diarrhea is caused by bacteria जिसका नाम है Bacillus coli, BACILLUS, Bacillus coli, COLI, coli. Number third disease is the typhoid. Typhoid, it is caused by bacteria जिसका नाम है Salmonella typhi, SALMONELLA, Salmonella TYPHII, typhi. इसी तरह के ट्यूबरकुलोसिस भी एक डिजीज़ है, वो भी इंसानों में लग जाती है और वो भी बैक्टीरिया के ज़रिए पैदा होती है. Now the plant diseases which are caused by bacteria are, number one, angular leaf spot. उसको बोलते हैं जो एक प्लांट होता है उसके पत्तों में वो धब्बे जो होते हैं, वो धब्बे, एंगुलर धब्बे जो होते हैं, तो वो those are caused by a species which is the name of which is Gossypium species. Angular leaf spot in plants is caused by Gossypium species जिसका नाम है Xanthomonas malvaceae. Xanthomonas malvaceae, XANTHOMONAS, Xanthomonas malvaceae, MALVAC, malvaceae. This Xanthomonas malvaceae causes a disease in the plants which is called the angular leaf spot. Number second disease which is caused in plants by bacteria is the blight of paddy. ये दान में एक किस्म की बीमारी लगती हैं जिसको राई, जैसे कुछ पर राई बना है, दाएं राई लागुन. That blight of paddy is caused by a bacterium whose name was Xanthomonas oryzae. Xanthomonas oryzae, ORYZAE, oryzae. और जो पैडी होता है उसका जो बॉटनिकल नाम है वो है ओराइजा सटेवा. इसी तरीके से ये बैक्टीरिया जो होते हैं ये पोल्यूशन ऑफ वाटर भी करते हैं, यानी कि हमारा जो पानी होता है पीने का पानी वो भी गंदा करते हैं. तो पोल्यूशन ऑफ वाटर किस तरह होता है, मैनी पैथोजेनिक बैक्टीरिया जो होते हैं, जिस तरीके से हमने देखा कि जो पैरासिटिक बैक्टीरिया होते हैं वो मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की डिजीज़ बीमारियां पैदा करते हैं ह्यूमन बीइंग्स में. इसी तरीके से जो पोल्यूशन ऑफ वाटर है तो वो पैदा होती है बाय पैथोजेनिक बैक्टीरिया. मैनी पैथोजेनिक बैक्टीरिया जिनमें विब्रिया कॉलरा, VIBRIA, विब्रिया कॉलरा, CHOLERA, कॉलरा, and Salmonella typhi. These are the two main types of pathogenic bacteria that make our water polluted. वो हमारे पानी को गंदा करते हैं and make it unfit for drinking, और वो पीने के लायक नहीं रहता है. यानी कि ये दो किस्म के जो पैथोजेनिक बैक्टीरिया हैं, विब्रिया कॉलरा एंड साल्मोनेला टाइफी, these type of bacteria pollute our water and make it unfit for drinking. So this was all about today's lecture, and in this way the economic importance of bacteria has been concluded here, and it ended here. And we see that under the economic importance of bacteria, uh, there are the useful activities as well as harmful activities. And I hope that you have understood this today's lecture, and you will be now fully aware about the diseases which are caused by these bacteria in human beings and plants, and the food poisoning also. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.